All right, a gorgeous start to our morning already. Hey, if your kids are constantly hungry and you're struggling to find healthy snacks for them and even for you, we have some great ideas this morning. Deborah Stump from supermom360.com is here with grab-and-go energy pack snacks. Thank you so much for coming in. We do appreciate it.
Of course.
One of the 4 food groups in our house has become goldfish crackers.
Yes.
And we need to stop madness.
Well, you might not need to stop it completely, but we know it's so easy to grab those convenient snacks, even for us, right? So with kids that are constantly hungry and going to sports and school, it's great to have things that pack a little bit more of a nutritional punch. And as busy moms, we want things that are easy as well, because who has time to spend hours and hours in the kitchen?
Never gonna
happen. You don't, I don't, so let's make it simple.
Okay, perfect. So let's start over here.
Yes.
These are no-bake energy bites. These, you really didn't bake these. You just
really didn't bake them. So if you have a few minutes on the weekend, these are simply oats. We put some chocolate chips in there. You don't have to put the chocolate chips, but we've got coconut, peanut butter. That's the way I feel too, Heather. But you know, for those real healthy people out there. But these you can make on the weekend, put them in the fridge. There's literally no baking involved, and then the kids can grab them after school.
I've got the peanut butter and the oatmeal for protein, and my mouth is full because that's how good they are. Okay, so letting you take over.
Yes, exactly. I'll do the interview. It's fine. So next we have sweet potato chips, but these are baked. These take 3 ingredients, so you can, once again, you can get these ready a few days before. Okay. You simply slice them. You can use a cheese slicer here, or if you have more sophisticated tools, you can do that as well, or even a knife. Slice those up, put them on a pan, drizzle with a little olive oil, some salt, bake them for about 15 minutes, and you're done.
And that's easy, and that's another thing that keeps very well, so that way you don't have to worry about them eating it right that very second.
Exactly.
Now, these are so easy, and I mean, it's hard to find stuff for a 2-and-a-half-year-old, but my son loves this.
Yes, he will eat this. My kids make this for themselves when they come home from school. I say, grab a healthy snack. You need protein. This is filled with protein. Grab a low-fat cheese stick, wrap it with a slice of turkey or whatever deli meat of choice, and you are done. Lots of protein.
Bada bing, your child should be able to do this for themselves once they hit at least 5 years old.
Exactly, exactly. Then these we are calling our strawberry peanut butter crepes to make them fancy, right?
Now we've gotten fancy,
yes. We're fancy, but they're not really fancy, right? They're simply a whole grain tortilla. We put a little peanut butter on there and added some fresh berries to them.
Inside.
Peanut
butter and strawberries, wrap it in a tortilla.
Another one that they can do themselves. If you have those berries sliced up from, they can make it themselves right after school.
There you go. I love these parfaits. I always get those when sometimes I go to McDonald's. Yes, I'm guilty. They're really good though, and you don't feel like you're eating anything that's too bad for you.
Exactly.
But you can make them at home.
You can make them at home. And my son makes these almost like clockwork for breakfast every morning. He thinks he's really fancy. But yogurt, low-fat yogurt, berries, some low-fat granola, and you've got a great little breakfast or a snack for after school. And once again, if they're old enough, they can make those themselves.
Perfect. And then last but not least, hummus, carrot sticks.
Yes, this is one that I put in Tupperware and throw it in the car with the kids because, you know, half the time you're not prepared on the way out the door. Yeah. So these, have your veggies ready to go, cleaned, wash at the store. You can buy them. Throw some hummus in a Tupperware, and they are ready to go off to practice.
Perfect. Also, more ideas on supermoms360.com. Check out the website. You'll get a lot of great ideas, not only on snacks, but party planning and a whole bunch of other fun stuff.
All sorts of things.
All right, Deborah Stump, thanks so much for coming in. We always appreciate it. His name's a bit unusual, but he's a big people person. Coming up, we jump into the animal house to meet the lovable Fergus. Back right after this. I'm going to finish.